Hey, hi guys, hope you're having a good time on the road. I thought I'd make a little video explaining how to do what you're asking because it's a little bit more complicated. It's actually writing in HTML, unless you were just wanting to add links within the articles, and that's a different story, and I'll show you that one too. So if you wanted to do them, let's say on the sidebar, like I've done here, for instance, you can see, so this is your blog, and we've got on the side now, we've got links and other blogs on the road. It could be anything you want to title that. That's up to you, but I'm going to show you how I did that. So we're going to sign into your blog first. And we want to go to, we're going to go to the template, which is the setup for your blog. Now this is where it gets confusing. So this is HTML code. And what you want to do is you want to scroll through here until you find so this is the alien intelligence you were speaking of, I guess. Sorry, I'll get there in a second. Right here, this is what we're looking for. Phil says this is the section following that you can add links with. So I've tried to make it as obvious in all of that other gobbledygook that's in there of what you can and can't change. So H3 is a heading tag, and this is maybe a little confusing. The easiest way for you to do this is probably just to copy and paste things. That's why the way I've kind of set it up. So here's where it's saying links on that sidebar, and this is what the link looks like. So the easiest way to do this for you is probably just to select that entire amount, copy it, and then paste in a new version of it. And then just change the code. So this would be the website that you're wanting to direct people to. Right now it's BC Design Works, and let's say we change that to anything at all. It doesn't matter. And right here is the word that's going to show up on the website with the link attached to it. So often you would make that the name of the website, but you may not. Like here, for the next one that I put on there, the other blogs on the road, it's going to link into riversofmist.com, which is your blog, of course, and I've just given the words our blog. So you can do this put as many links in here as you want. You could change the title of it to something else, and you could get rid of this entire second piece here. If you only wanted to have one section of links, you can just delete that and only have the one link section. So that's the way that you would create links in the sidebar here. That's the section you can add things in the sidebar. The other thing you could do if you wanted to is just type some information in the sidebar. If you wanted to say XYZ or whatever, the important thing there again is you need to use the HTML tags, which the tags are paragraph, and then you type in whatever it is you want to say, and then this one means end the paragraph. So that's where it is a little more confusing. It's certainly it's more of an advanced function to use on Blogger, but I'll set these up and leave them on there, and you can just edit the links and copy and paste like I was showing you. So after you do that, after you add your new links that you want to, we're going to go and save template. So save template changes. And this is the important part. After we save that, we want to republish now. If we don't do the republish now, the changes won't show up on your actual website because we're publishing to your website. So we'll hit republish now, and that takes a little while to go through its thing. And once it's done that, your site is updated and it has the new information on it. So right now we'll go back there and I'll show you. So if I reload this page, you can see that the new link is showing up there now. So that's exactly how you do that. The other one sort of question you had was how can you add links within, or I wasn't sure what your question was maybe, but if you wanted to add a link within a page, what you can do is, well, I'll go to create a new one. So using this rich text editor that's on here, what you do is This little, you highlight the piece of text that you would like to create a link to. And this little picture here is, it's hard to see, but it's actually a piece of chain with the world, meaning a link to the World Wide Web. If you hold your cursor over there, you see it says link. So if you click on that, and then it's going to come up and ask you for the address, and you would just put in whatever the web address is. And click OK. And now that becomes, within your blog, that becomes a hyperlink now, so people could click on that. So you could be writing about something, we met these great people, they have this website, and you can take the word website, highlight it, and provide a link to their website. Also, with this rich text editor, the other ones you can use, this inserts an image, this would insert a video. You can use this, I think this is to attach a file, upload a file, so this will attach a file onto your thing. You can use this here to change the color of the text, and then of course you've got your other bold and types of fonts and all those sorts of things, and you would publish this just as you normally would. So yeah, if you have any questions, again, just send us an email, and I hope you guys are having a good time on the road. We'll talk to you later.